What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds, where today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're over here at Superior Shine Detailing here in Pryor, Oklahoma, and we brought the Camaro over here today. So as you can see, we didn't even attempt to clean up the Camaro at all. It's not been washing over a week. She's pretty dirty. Here's what the rims look like. Front ones are especially dirty. She actually looks pretty clean on camera. I hate that about camera. And camera makes everything look better than it really is. We got Justin over here.
What's up, guys?
And this video is brought to you by, you guys know who Avalon King is, right? This is their Armor Shield IX. This is their latest batch that they sent me, quite honestly, a few months ago. And it's kind of embarrassing. I was supposed to have had this done quite a while ago. I just didn't have the time. Things weren't working out, issues with the shop, and I've got all the excuses under the sun for you. But this is the product we're going to be using today. This is their Armor Shield IX, and this was provided to me free of charge. But I do want to make it very clear, this is not paid content. There's a difference. The product was sent to me for free. You may have seen the same product used on Tavares's channel, where I think it was a 3000 GTVR4. This is good stuff. This is really good stuff. I've already seen how good it holds up, and well, that's why we're putting it on my new baby, my new pride and joy. And Justin's going to do all this. I'm going to film it. We're going to do some time lapse and some close-up shots to show you guys what's going on. And hopefully you enjoy the music I picked for you. Most of you seem to think it's all right. We'll get started.
What's up, everyone? My name's Justin. My channel is Superior Auto Flips. If you want to go check it out, we got Randy here. He came down to my shop. Was about 2.5 hour drive, isn't it?
Yep.
He brought the 2016 SS Camaro. And today we're going to ceramic coat her. I'm going to ceramic coat it with a company he got. It's Avalon King Armor Shield IX. I've never used it before, so I'm really curious to see how their stuff is as well for my own company as well. I told Randy the vehicle, it has a lot of swirls and scratches, and it has some water, some where hard water spots have stained on the paint. It, in all honesty, to look perfect again, needs a 2-step paint correction. So 1-step cutting compound, then polish it, then IPA wipe down, and then we'll coat it. Literally, to do all that, because I get down into the micro polishing with what I was showing Randy, little 1-inch polishing pads. In order to get it that good, literally, I'd probably spend about 14 to 16 hours from A to B on this thing to do that. It is 7 o'clock now, and like Randy said, I said, hey man, if you're down to do it, we'll do it, but we don't want to be leaving here at 7 o'clock in the morning. And he's still got to go home with it tomorrow. So what we're going to do, or I'm going to do, is just a good 1-step polish. It's going to be a lot quicker process, but it's going to take care of about 60 to 70% of all the swirls and scratches that are going on in the paint. So it's going to look way better. And in order to see all that stuff, you're really just going to have to stare at it and stuff. So Randy said he was cool with that. So don't hate me for it, hate Randy for it. So we're going to get started. I'm going to start by waterless washing the hood and the fenders and stuff, and then we'll jump from there and start doing some polishing.
Eyes wide, it's a new revolution. Got one life and we stand for the movement. It's a shotgun in the dark, running from my demons. And your hands shake when you lose faith in your reasons. So let it burn, brighter than it ever did. America showed us how to lose our innocence. Just kids, greatest life that ever lived. Young blood, stronger than it's ever been. We rise over all the unbelief.
ladies and gentlemen, that was a very quick time-lapsed video on doing the ceramic coating. Honestly, the ceramic coating was very easy. The hardest part of ceramic coating is actually in the prep work. And as you can see on the Camaro, we just didn't go into that much prep work on it because of time constraints. This is something you can do yourself at home. I chose to let Justin do a lot of this because of some agreements that him and I had, and he does own a professional detailing company, Superior Auto Shine. So I figured who better to assist me in doing this for the first time than him. I didn't want to mess it up. That's all it was. I'm very nervous about doing something like this, especially on my Camaro. But now that I've done it, I want to say you could do this at home, guys. This is a very DIY friendly project. So it's actually been about 2 weeks since we've done this, and I have not washed the Camaro, not once. And you're gonna see it's filthy. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's filthy, but it still looks good. I mean, it really does. But if you take a look at the bumper here, this is stuff that has been baking on for, well, it's been about 2 weeks. We've got bugs just splattered everywhere, all over this car. And yeah, she's looking a little rough. So what I decided to do is I've got some product that I'm going to spray onto a rag. It's basically like car wash in a bottle. And I'm going to spray it on. And we're going to see if this stuff will come off. We're going to see how good it looks with the ceramic coating underneath. Just take my rag and I'm just going to start wiping here. Like, look at the bug guts right here. Look at that. You see how it just came right off? It came right off with just a little bit of light rubbing. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Wow. Okay. Okay. So as you can see right here, hopefully you can see, we've got bug guts splattered all over here. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of product on, take my little rag, and I'm just going to, look at this. It melts right off. I mean, just very lightly rubbing. It doesn't take much at all, and I'm not even using a whole lot of product. Just a quick wipe down. And look at this. Wow. Wow. Okay. That is truly impressive. Very impressive. Look, we got some bug guts up here too. Let's spray this real quick. And watch this. It literally, look how it's like it just melts off. I'm not using any particular type of special product or anything. You can buy this stuff anywhere. Basically, like I said, it's just car wash in a bottle. Look at that. The way it just comes right off the paint is absolutely insane to me. Amazing. I highly recommend Avalon King. Absolutely, without a doubt, man. Now that I've seen it and tried, like I said, 2 weeks, this car has not been washed since the day it was ceramic coated. And to see stuff like that just come off with a little bit of product and a rag is insane. So do I recommend this product? Absolutely. Do I endorse this product? 100%. And I'm going to have a link down in the description so you can get some for yourself. This is so easy to do. Listen, if I can do it, and I was very apprehensive about doing the ceramic coating. Like I said, this is the Camaro is my new baby, my new toy. I'm very nervous about it. I didn't doubt the product itself. I was just leery about my ability to actually put it on, and it really, this is simple. You can do it. Drop down in the link below, grab yourself some of this product. I guarantee you're going to find it easy to do. You're going to love it. And you can do as much prep work or as little prep work as you want to. And the car is going to look as good as you want it to. Don't spend thousands of dollars. Sorry, Justin. Superior Auto Detail. Sorry, man. Hate to turn business away from sending people to the detail company, but you could buy this product and do it at home yourself and save a ton of money. Now, with that said, I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Justin. I appreciate you. Go check Justin out on his YouTube channel, Superior Auto Flips. He's working on an Audi TT that he is putting some serious boost into. Should be an insane car when he's done with it. Thank you, Justin. Thank you to Avalon King. I appreciate all of you guys for the continued support. Like this video, share it on social media, please. I appreciate it. Have a nice one, guys. I will catch you all very soon in the next one.